are live. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the stream. Bringing us out to Summit Point Motorsports Park in West Virginia. Legendary track on the Niko for Life YouTube channel, man. That's how we do it. All right, so they are doing a standing start. This is new to me, man. This is gonna be crazy.
Alright, GoPro's on.
Okay. All right, let me see if I can get the timing up.
All right, guys, here we go.
We're waiting on the green flag. This is insane, man. This is insane. What a Sunday win. Let's get it. P1 on the grid. Niko for life. Go, 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 go. All right, we got to see what kind of angles we can get you. I got to walk to the top of this hill just to give you guys a good vantage point, so bear with me. As I scale this mountain, this track is so big, I have to scale this mountain just to get you guys a good vantage point, because otherwise we can't see anything. All right, there's Niko going down the back straight, making his left turn, and that's where we're gonna lose him for a good bit. So we'll switch back to his GoPro. Here we got some sports car racing in the distance here, because we're at Summit Point. It's lovely, man. Lovely, lovely stuff. As we got Lewis coming around the corner here. And we got Niko here, rounding it up. Niko's bumper's off. Oh, Niko lost his bumper. That's why he's slow. That makes so much sense. His bumper is hanging off. It's all good. I think that's an automatic P3 for us. Oh wait, no, is that the race is over? Oh, the race is over. Oh, okay. I didn't know if we got black flag or the race is over. That is a P2 for Niko. He held on with the bumper falling off. So I consider that a dub for us. We got the win yesterday. We got first place yesterday, second place today. We learned a lot. We learned about putting fresh tires on a hot day on a track like this. Probably not the best. Hope anybody who's watching will learn with us. Long straights, long track, fresh tires, hot day, no good. Makes you slower. So we got a P1 and a P2 this weekend at Summit Point. That's a major W for us. And make sure you like and subscribe. Stay locked in. Niko for Life signing out.